In this tutorial, I'll show you how to produce this render image by using Blender and a must-have application called JSplacement. I'll share a download link in the description below. Let's click this button at the top left corner to begin. I'll only be using the application's classic mode, but please experiment with other modes as well. If we click this area, or click the Generate button below, we can create a new image. If we want to customize the image, we can change the values in this section. We can randomize the entire values here, or use presets. Let's use the toggle colorizer feature. Please save the height map, the normal map, and the color map for future use in Blender. I have only applied the height and the color maps, and haven't used the normal map for this scene. The normal map could have been used, but after applying the displacement modifier with the height map, I found out the normal map didn't do much. This is a subdivided cube. I'll hide this and show you how this cube was made. Tab, to go to edit mode, right-click and S to subdivide. I subdivided it 50 times. I have used the displacement and the subsurf modifiers like this. For the texture, the height map was used. The color map image was added afterward. Please lower the roughness setting as much as possible. After that, the sky texture was used. Here are my camera settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.